standard turbo, albeit it's got to be in good condition. Standard injectors, again, have to be in good condition. But we've added our intercooler, our exhaust system, and our injector pump modifications. And all told, it's a very tidy package, very cost effective. We're not pushing in massive amounts of boost, and we're comfortably sitting, going up hills, 100, maybe a little bit more, but I'm not allowed to say so. But I'll just show you some boosts in a moment, just to show you where our temperatures are at and our boost. So at 100 kilometers an hour, right now we're on a bit of flat bit of road, 2350 RPM, hardly any boost at all, and we're sitting at 400 degrees C on the pyro. Obviously, if we go and work it, push it hard up a hill, it's going to increase. And when we tune our trucks, we try and keep them at around 575 degrees tops. As you can see, very comfortable cruising speed. Now, we've proven this time and time again for many, many years. We've got our Unimog rock crawler, which we have on the back, 4.5 to 5 tonne on the trailer. Same situation, same turbo, same injector pump setup. It's been working great. At the moment, we've got a toy hauler with our buggy in the back. It's 4.5 tonne. We can cruise at that 100 kilometers an hour, day in, day out. Very comfortable, not stressing the motor at all. So yes, we can go higher. We can put a bigger turbo on. We've got one of those in one of our trucks at the moment, just testing that out. It gives us some more boost, but at the end of the day, do we need more boost in the Unimog? The Unimog's a Unimog, it's not a race truck. As you said, we're proving it here. We're cruising comfortably down the highway at 100 k's an hour. What more do we need? For many, many years now, I think we've been running these exact same intercoolers for 7 or 8 years. Just out of interest's sake, we've designed them. PWR, probably the best intercooler manufacturer in the world, is making them for us. So super high quality product, and the next step is our exhaust system. So again, for many years we've got our exhaust system inside our chassis rails. I know there's a lot of people out there copying them now, so good luck to them, but whatever. And now it's inside our chassis rails. That gives us the ability to have extra fuel tanks, extra storage box water tanks hanging on both sides of our chassis rails. Now, something we've just released, for many years we haven't offered the PTO style exhaust system. Now, for those guys that do have PTOs, we've actually made up a new exhaust system, which as little as possible it comes on the outside of the chassis rail, but then it ducts back in again. So we've now jigged that up. Our first batch is on its way, so give us a couple of weeks if you're interested. Place an order and we can get those out to you. Yeah, what can I say? Comfortable truck to drive. 100 kilometers an hour. Oops, I better back off a little bit there to get it back to 100. But it's just a much nicer truck to drive. Once we've done a little bit of work to it, to give it some more power and to give it some more